Hello, I'm Anna and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we are trying to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. I have this really cool planner that I just wanted to share with you quickly. I got it at ALDI, which is amazing. It was, I think, only $7.99, maybe $12.99 at the most. It is the Pembroke Wellness Planner, and it is so awesome, you guys. I just really had to share it. It's especially great for this time of year when we are setting some goals for ourselves. So we're going to just do a walkthrough of this planner. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. But before you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you gave this video a thumbs up, that would be so wonderful. That helps YouTube to notice me. And don't forget to tell your friends. All right, you guys, let's dive into the planner. Okay, so here is the cover wellness planner. If you believe it, you can achieve it. It's got this pretty gold wire, and then we've got the gold shiny stuff with the pink and white stripes. So when we open it, the inside is really pretty. It does come with a removable bookmark, which has a little ruler on it that says today, which is kind of cute. The first page is the quick reference information. I don't know about you, but I don't often use all this stuff anymore with phones and stuff. It's very rare that I use these things, but if you do, it's nice. There is a page of contacts, which again, I love this. This has a whole little thing that tells you how to do goal writing, which I think is really, really cool. Get specific, use measures, choose attainable goals, make relevant goals, set time boundaries, appreciate your progress. I wish I would have read this before I recorded my goal setting video, but actually I do say a lot of real similar things. And then it's got this pretty quote here: a dream written down becomes a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. And then this is a cool page. It's got yearly goals. So the whole year goals: body, home, mind, work, school, soul, finances, relationships, giving, love, and fun. I mean, it just covers everything. This year I want more of this, less of this. Love that. And then it's got a whole spread here on life goals: 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, lifetime, 5 years, hopes and dreams, which I think is really unique. Place a photo of yourself here, starting point. I don't know that I'll do that just because I never get photos printed anymore, but it might be something kind of fun to do. But I do like this down here, clothing size. For me, I am going to be working on losing some weight this year. So clothing size, weight, hips, thigh, chest, bicep, weight, blah, 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 notes and inspiration. And then each of the month pages does have a little quote on it. These are blank. It does come with stickers if you want, but this is an undated planner, which I think is really, really cool because you don't have to feel like you're wasting it if you don't, stick to it every single day. So only look back to see how far you've come. I love that. And then for each month, hello, you write the month down there, inspiring quote, word for the month, book for the month, fears to overcome, something new to try, I am becoming, I am grateful for, and then another list of little goals: learn, finish, let go, create, simplify, forgive. I feel like this just really covers it, but in a way that is kind of specific, but without being too intense. Sometimes I feel like these planners are I don't know, it's too much. But that's really cool. So something as simple as finish the laundry. I mean, come on, we don't have to get crazy. And then over here is our wellness goals, and there's 3 boxes, which is not too many. It's nice. Let's not overwhelm ourselves. Goal 1, date to be achieved. Why do I want to achieve it? How am I going to accomplish it? How will I measure it? What is my motivation? And reward. Don't forget, we have to reward ourselves. And there's 3 of those. And then we get into each of the days. So for each day, we've got just a little space here. Weekly weigh-in on Monday. I do my weigh-ins on Friday, so I'll just move that. Water to fill in. Did I exercise? How long? Food log. I mean, that's not very much room for food, but you can make it work. Calorie tracker. How many hours I slept from this to this, which is how many hours. Today I feel, which is a nice way to track your mood. And then it's got that each day. And then at the bottom, weekly tasks and accomplishments. I feel like so many things like this have us say, what do we want to do? But there's no place to write what we did do. And then we kind of forget that we rocked. So this is a chance to to do that. So you have that for the whole week. Saturdays and Sundays are a little less intense because let's face it, like Saturday and Sunday should be a little less intense. And then there's one of those for each week. And each month is the same way. And at the end of the month, you have this monthly progress page, month of blank. Did I achieve these goals? What are my measurements this month? What are the rewards, plans for next month? And then there is a habit tracker at the bottom for you to track one habit, which again, not overwhelming. That is doable. And then we just go on. Each month is exactly the same. So going into this next month, make each day your masterpiece, John Wooden. Happiness looks gorgeous on you. Love that. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Very wise, Jerry Dunn. Don't wait for the right opportunity. Create it, George Bernard Shaw. I can and I will. Heck yes. Live your best life. I like that one. It's like sassy. Think bigger. I'm trying to lose weight. I want to think smaller. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. Wise man. The most effective way to do it is to do it. I love that. Just do it. Amelia Earhart. Champions keep playing until they get it right. Billie Jean King. And I tell my kids all the time, you are done with a job when the job is done right, not because you did it. You're done when it's complete, not because you tried. Impossible is for the unwilling, John Keats. Don't stop until you're proud. Love that one. And then we go into the end of the book. So there is a running log here. I am not a runner, but maybe a walking log you could use that for. A workout tracker, so date, type, and there is only one page for each of these, so if you're avid with either of these things, you probably need to hit the copy machine and just create new ones to go in there. Weight loss progress, this is a graph, so each day you can fill in, each week you can fill in the pounds that were lost, and hopefully that would go up from here. I love that. And then for each week, what is my toughest obstacle to overcome? How have I surprised myself? That's for the first 6 months of the year, and then for the second 6 months, same questions, so you kind of get a halfway check-in. 3-month check-in, you can place another photo of yourself here, and if you're not going to place it in the book, you can take it and at least just have it so you can look at it, and then it's got all the things to write down again from the beginning. And at the 3-month mark, reflection. Just so cool, like small check-ins. What worked, what didn't, what am I most proud of? And then same thing for 6 months and 9 months, which I think is so cool. And then of course the 12 months. And then there's a section of recipes to try. I pretty much just keep fully track of all my recipes on Pinterest, but if you're a write it down kind of person, I might consider actually, there's a few that I look up constantly that I might just write down so that they're in front of me. And then the whole bunch of thoughts and notes pages, which is really nice to have kind of a notebook. And then what's super cute is it comes with all these cool stickers, day off, holidays, etc., little puppy paws, well dones, little workout things and number of miles, etc., arm day, leg day, get fit, birthdays, and then the stickers so you can mark the months on your calendar. And then it comes with a little plastic sleeve if you want to keep little stuff in there. And then there is a folder at the end, and there is the bag. So for, like I said, I feel like this was only $7.99. I feel like I want to go back and buy like 5 more of these so that I know that I have them for the next several years. It was so good. Get your butt out to Aldi right now and get this planner. It is amazing. I think this is going to be a game changer for me. I've just never found one that was so all-inclusive and had so many wonderful positive things in one place. And I also like that it's big because it gives me lots of room to write. So that is the Aldi Pembroke Wellness Planner. They did have a few different designs on the front. I liked this one because it was just bold. And I hope that you have a plan to help yourself reach your goals. Something like this might help. If it doesn't, that's fine. At least we got to hang out today. All right. Okay, so that was the Pembroke Wellness Planner made for Aldi. I hope that you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. I have to tell you, I am so excited about this planner. I've looked at a lot of wellness planners and fitness planners and goal setting planners, and I feel like I haven't found one that is as perfect as this one is, for me anyways. It just includes so many things and has so many different aspects of goal setting and planning and wellness, and I'm just really, really excited to use it starting here in a couple of days. I am a planner lover, so this time of year is awesome because we get to start new ones. So thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me. I really, really appreciate you being here. Keep coming back. Take care of you.